Camille, that goes for your dollhouse upstairs. It's a mommy and daddy's bedroom. The scissors, we'll open it for you.
You want to see?
Camille, when I open this present together, it has both of our names. Nathan and Camille.
That's it.
Go, go, go. Yay!
Okay, Nathan, you want to help her?
Yeah.
Actually, that one says to Nathan from Camille.
That's yours. Go ahead, buddy.
And that's mine.
Yeah.
I really want it to be a present.
Rip it. Oh my God! I think it is.
Wow! Look what Camille got you, Nathan.
I want
More Lego pirates.
Wow.
What's the other side say? I bet the other side's a picture.
Wow!
Pirate Brickyard?
It's a Brickmaster.
Brickmaster.
You need scissors, Daddy?
Okay. What do you think, Nathan? What do you say to your sister?
Thank you.
Can you give Camille a hug? She got you a Lego Pirate Building book. It's got all the pieces right in that pouch. So the book is called Brickmaster, and everything you need to build pirate things is in that book.
Please.
Just look, but don't get it out just yet.
Yeah. Let's get out.
We'll see you in an hour, Nathan.